Hello friends, today I am going to read you this version of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Now this is one of those stories that we call a traditional tale, and that means that we don't know who wrote it the first time, but a lot of people have retold this story. So this time, this book has been retold by Sarah Delmage and illustrated by Gavin Scott. Okay? Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, Goldilocks was playing out in the woods near her home. As she skipped along the pebbly path, her golden locks bouncing, Goldilocks suddenly sniffed the air. A yummy smell was coming from somewhere in the woods. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Her tummy grumbled louder, and Goldilocks followed the delicious smell. Soon she found herself in front of a little house. "I wonder who lives here," she said. Goldilocks knocked loudly on the door. Knock, knock, knock. But on the last knock, the door swung open. There was no one at home. Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the kitchen table. 1, 2, 3. "I'm sure no one would mind if I had a taste of this porridge," she told herself. Goldilocks ate a spoonful of porridge from the biggest bowl. "Oh, ugh, this porridge is much too cold," she said. Goldilocks then tried the medium-sized bowl. "Oh, ouch," she said. "This porridge is much too hot." And finally, Goldilocks took a little mouthful from the smallest bowl. She said, "This porridge is perfect." And she ate it all up. Then Goldilocks went into the living room for a rest. She saw a big chair, a medium-sized chair, and a tiny little chair. Goldilocks climbed onto the biggest chair. "This chair is too big," she said. Next, Goldilocks clambered up onto the medium-sized chair. The cushions were very squishy. "This chair is too soft," she cried. Then Goldilocks tried the tiny chair. "This chair is perfect," she beamed Goldilocks, and she was just getting comfortable when crack! The chair broke into pieces. "Oh, perhaps I should just lie down instead." Upstairs, Goldilocks found a big bed, a medium-sized bed, and a tiny little bed. When she jumped on the big bed, it was too hard. The medium-sized bed was too soft for bouncing, and the little bed was perfect. And the little girl crawled under the covers and fell fast asleep. Meanwhile, 3 hungry bears returned to the little house. They had been on a walk for a while their porridge had cooled down, but the door was already open, and there were muddy footprints in the hall. Uh-oh. "Somebody's been eating my porridge!" roared the daddy bear. "Someone has been eating my porridge," growled the mommy bear. "Look," squealed Baby Bear, "my porridge is all gone." The three bears went into the living room. "Somebody's been sitting in my chair." Look right here. Do you see Goldilocks' hair on the side of the chair? Yeah. "Someone's been sitting in my chair too," said Mommy Bear. "Somebody's been sitting in my chair," squeaked Baby Bear, "and they broke it." Suddenly, the three bears heard a noise from upstairs. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed," said Daddy Bear as he stepped into the bedroom. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed too," growled Mama Bear, straightening her covers. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed, and she's still there," squeaked the baby bed. Goldilocks woke up and screamed, "Ah!" And the three bears watched in surprise as she ran off through the forest as fast as her little legs would carry her. And guess what? The three bears never heard from Goldilocks again. The end. Here it is. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I hope you enjoyed this book. I enjoyed reading it to you. Have a great day.